How to master support and resistance using the BYBT strategy. Trading gbpusd in the London session, identifying support at that level, giving us our rally to the upside, creating a higher high at that level, identifying another support zone, giving us another rally to the upside, creating a higher high. This gives us our uptrend, then having our pullback, short-term downtrend to the downside against the current trend. This gives us our retest at this level, testing previous zone of support with momentum candle the upside in line with the current trend. We take our buy, put stop loss below, and take profit on the previous level of resistance. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe and follow for more videos like this.